Hello, Andy and Heather here from Living in Weymouth. Today we are by Portland Bill and we're going to take a walk all the way from Pulpit Rock to Cave Hole. Let's take a look at what we can see on the way.
Right, let's go. We're incredibly lucky with the day today. I mean, look at the weather. What I love about behind here is all the views. They're just phenomenal. Much different day from the day that we came up during the storm.
Yeah, that was a little bit different. We almost got blown away on that one.
All these little man-made caves made out of the Portland rock. In my younger days, I would have crawled in there, but I think I might get stuck these days. You can see that's Trinity Obelisk just in the distance, so we're heading towards there now.
I wonder what this is. It's definitely some sort of structure that was here once upon a time. If you know, maybe let us know in the comments.
This here is the Trinity Obelisk. As we didn't have a banana for size, we're using Andy instead, so you can see how tall it is. That is incredible. Wow. That was really interesting when we went up there on that tour, wasn't it?
It was actually, yeah. And we have got a full video of that on our YouTube channel if you do fancy checking it out.
That's a really nice place to go there as well. That's the Lobster Pot. So they've got an inside restaurant, but they've got a hatch where you can get food and hot drinks and stuff like that as well. As you can see, it's pretty popular. Not surprising with these views.
Let's get a little bit closer to the edge, I think. Let's do a quick pan for you because this is amazing.
So I'm usually a fan of heights, but I think I can just about handle this this height. The waves sound amazing in here as well when they go back across the stones. Wait for it. That noise. I really like that stone shelf. I'd love to get down there, but I would probably never get back up again or get swept out to sea.
Yeah, no offence. I don't think I'm coming in after you. Definitely got to wear your walking boots for this one.
Definitely. Really like this little bit with the rowing boats. It looks really nice. It's great for photographing here.
This is one of those cool black and white pictures that you see that people take.
I took one, didn't I?
And we are walking all the way up there into the distance.
Awesome. all these little caves all the way along. Not really accessible, but they do look awesome. Lots of benches all the way along the way as well, so you can come out here with your flask of tea or coffee or a picnic. There's so many little beach huts all the way along here. There's Andy going to launch the drone. This has got to be one of the nicest walks around Portland. And obviously Church Oak's another amazing walk, but this one, yeah, this is fab, especially for the waves. See what it says on this sign ahead as well. Hopefully not cave hole 5 miles.
Or 4, or 3.
But 2 even.
2, no, one I can cope with.
That beach hut is very close to the edge.
It is a bit.
I suppose it can be moved if necessary, but yeah.
Right, let's have a look what it says. Oh, it actually just says coast path.
It's had a good deal of rain this week, so despite it being sunny, the ground is pretty wet still, a bit spongy. Based on all the horseshoe marks I can see on the ground, they obviously take horses around here quite often.
Come and have a look at this. We'll just walk over here and check this out.
A nice cheeky corner cut off there, I think.
Yeah, we'll save ourselves a whole 2 minutes, I think.
Woo!
Now we can't see yet where we're heading, but we know it's along this edge.
Well, once we see the crane, we'll know we're in the right place.
Finally reached one of the things that we wanted to see. This is the blowhole. Now I might send Heather down with the camera I don't think it should be up for that.
I don't know if I'd fit between the gaps. Maybe 20 years ago.
Should we have a quick rundown? Yeah, let's have a look. Right, so I've walked down to the blowhole, or what we think is the blowhole. You can see the waves down there. I wouldn't like to be here where that comes flying up through there and soaks everything, but the rocks look quite dry, so I think we're all right. Right, let's get back on track.
Wow, just wow.
What we should have done was get you to swim underneath to the blowhole and just
yeah, no problem.
give us a wave up.
I got my swimsuit underneath.
We'll do that next time, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're really close to the edge here, actually. I could just...
What? Look, you all saw that in camera.
No one saw anything. We'll do an edit there.
Some
Massive waves coming in.
You're not working in New York, you're nuts.
It's all very bumpy. I'm trying to do my best ninja walking to smooth it out. Not sure what's down there. Take a little look down there.
Yeah, we have to be careful in here because look, you see it cuts in. You happily wander straight over the edge.
That's all right. I would have seen you fall first and I would have stopped.
Well, my legs are shorter than yours, so you'd get there first.
I think the insurance on the camera
It's
has
the
run out.
advantage
So.
of being small.
Oh, it's not that far down. Look, nice little heather-sized path. Look.
Oh yeah, it's all right. I think Heather could handle that.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Looks like it'll be worth it here anyway.
You're not working in New York, you're nuts.
Not sure what these are. Any ideas? Let's see how well Little Legs does over this.
Interesting. Oh no, I'm trapped. Don't think my fat bum will fit through there.
Well, thank God we can extend the parking from here.
Had to turn my foot round on that one. I actually got, no. It's a miracle.
Right, let's crack on and over there. Oh, another obstacle course. But it's all worth it.
Definitely not for the faint-hearted. So this is Cave Hold. Now we've kind of figured that the cave is underneath but facing the sea. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to show you it from this side, but we're going to send the drone up and see what we can see from that angle. I think I'll be holding my breath most of this way round. Trying to walk, film and not fall off the cliff. Always challenging. head up towards the crane and see what we can see from there. That is quite an amazing structure. It's amazing it's still standing actually. So here we are, we finally made it to Cave Hole, which is right underneath this crane. So I hope you enjoyed the walk and our video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.